Hi, it's me, John T from YouTube, and I'll be showing you how to get free iPhone ringtones. So first, just open up a browser. Any browser will do. I'm using Safari over here. This is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. And I'm a big fan of audico.net. Alright. As you can see, it says free ringtones for mobile and iPhone. They just went through a little new design over here, and they have pretty much everything. New songs, you could upload your own music and cut. See, choose the best fragment. So yeah. So let's see. Let's start with the popular song. Let's go with Alejandro by Lady Gaga. And it looks a bit sketchy, but it really isn't. We'll play it. See what part.
Don't call my name, don't call my name.
Yeah, so that's a part you'll be having on your ringtone, and there's probably countless others Alejandro ones. So yeah, that should be fine. So let's see, get iPhone ringtone. Download. And it's downloading right here. Also, another quick feature is what I mentioned earlier, that you could upload anything. So you go into your iTunes, and then you could cut it and then add a new ringtone. And like I said earlier, also, like let's say Alejandro, there's usually a bunch of ringtones, and like if you don't like that part of the song that's recorded for the ringtone, you could always cut it yourself or just try to find another one. So let's see, it downloaded already. It's a pretty quick download, and once you get it, all I do is click it, double click it, and it'll add to the iTunes library, or you can just drag into your ringtones playlist, but I like to double click. Let's see.
Don't call my name, don't call my name.
As you can see, it's playing the ringtones. 30 seconds. These are all the ringtones I've downloaded from Audico. So yeah, that's 66 ringtones. So here, 30 seconds. And just make sure when you're syncing it, you check off ringtones and select all ringtones unless you just want a few ringtones, and yeah, that should be good. So yeah, audico.net, high quality ringtones are all free. I mean, I know some people use GarageBand if they have a Mac or some other program, but if you don't want to like waste your time or anything, just honestly, audico.net's painless and it's really easy. So yeah, once again, it's me, John T. I'm new to YouTube. We used to have other accounts, but I'm trying to get this one going. So please subscribe and rate 5 stars. Thanks.